adding and applying anticipated values. At the beginning of your estimates, if you want to calculate a pre-estimate value of the approximate overall cost of your project, then you'll appreciate the anticipated value feature for direct cost and overhead costs schedules. You can import or copy data from another project to quickly build up a professional approximate of what the anticipated ballpark rates and totals are likely to be. By default, anticipated rates and totals are hidden in the column chooser. The value of an anticipated rate or total will be shown even if the item is unfinished. When you enter a value, behind the scenes, the program calculates and auto-completes to give you the anticipated total or the anticipated rate, always based on the schedule quantity. Anticipated rates and totals are never based on estimated quantity. When you have entered amounts into these two columns, if you remove the columns, the data will still be there when you show the columns again later. The Anticipated Values feature is supported with Savvy Help. The anticipated rate and total columns have the standard copy, paste, and paste cell grid functions you expect. You can paste from Excel spreadsheets. When you paste in one anticipated value column, the application automatically calculates the other column based on the quantity. Once you have the numbers in the anticipated values column, in the project summary, the application will show you the anticipated total value. You can see the anticipated totals on the right. If you're not seeing any values, it is because the anticipated totals will only show in the project summary when your schedule items are marked as unfinished. You will see anticipated totals in the estimated costs and project total. And that's an introduction to anticipated values in expert estimation. Have a look at our knowledge base article if you'd like to know more. You can also call our in-house support specialists. We're here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.